Good afternoon, everybody. It's so bright, holy cow. I want to remember today, so I'm gonna record. It is February 16th. It is not February 16th. I never know the date. Oh my gosh. It is March 16th. I wasn't even close. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. It's March 16, 2026. I just want to show you outside, guys. This is outside. Look at those piles of snow. Ellie, what do you think? It's cold. Let's go back inside.
It's cold.
It's so cold. It snowed like 30 inches in the past 2 days, and the news has said that this is the biggest snowstorm in Green Bay in like 20 years. So this is history. So cool. Liam, how do you feel about all the snow outside? Good. I wish we could go play outside, but it's like really cold and windy. I know Ellie would not last very long. Liam probably could last a little longer, but I'm not going out there. Yeah, you can see the snow just like blowing. So right now we've just been watching movies. I did work last night too. It was really sweet. The snowstorm had started. Oh my gosh, someone's trying to climb. Where are they going? You see someone's trying to climb up there. That's funny. I feel like such a creep recording someone through the blinds. Super creepy. I hope it gets... Liam, you would have so much fun climbing up that huge pile of snow. I feel like we need to make that work today. I know it's windy, but maybe just like 15 minutes outside.
Oh, Mommy, I was thinking
too bad.
we could make a snow man and we could crash into it. Oh, let's name the snowman Olaf.
Olaf?
Yeah, and we need to have a big carrot from the fridge.
Yeah, I think we should do that. We should wait till Daddy gets home to do that.
Wait, is he gonna come tomorrow night?
No, he's coming back today. He's just working.
Okay, so when he comes back, can we go outside?
Yeah, let's do it. Tons of people are stuck out there. Joel said that on his way to pick me up, there were plow trucks that were also stuck. This is crazy. Anyways, I just wanted to record this moment because this is a snowstorm to remember. Like, I feel like in Wisconsin the last several years there hasn't been snowstorms like this. There hasn't been days where we've been snowed in. I feel like it just doesn't snow that much anymore. I don't remember it ever snowing this much since I was little. So I just wanted to remember this moment, and even though it is windy, I do want to go outside. So hopefully we can make that happen. I know I said it's really windy, but I don't know. I have really good memories of playing in the huge pile of snow when I was younger. So I would like my kids to have that too. I know they're super young right now, so maybe those are memories that they can have when they're a little bit older, but still, I think it'd be fun to start those memories now. Okay. Excuse me.
Put your foot in. Come on. There you go.
Stop.
They fit pretty good, don't they?
They do, actually. I can't put my own shoes on because my snow pants are so tight I can't bend over.
So tight.
The kids already left. I think Ellie's stuck.
Is she?
Yeah.
She's probably crying right now.
Ellie!
Hopefully we don't get in a snowball fight or anything.
Babe, I'm gonna rip my pants if I fall.
That would be bad.
What?
Mommy, don't go for snow angel.
Already? No! Ah!
My shoe came off.
Babe, take this.
Okay.
Okay, lift up your leg, okay? Ellie, give me your foot.
Oh.
Get out here. Will you put that there in the
Come on.
snow? Daddy, what's this? Hey, Daddy. I'm not gonna go anywhere.
You're not gonna go
Okay.
anywhere. Come help her.
Mommy,
We're stuck.
we're stuck, Mommy.
Go.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh.
It's okay, honey.
Daddy.
You okay?
Owie. Owie.
Oh.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Hey, Mommy. I'm gonna.
Yeah, go.
Okay, Liam, move that snow. Ellie, go on this one. Ellie, Liam, move that. Ready? Go.
Woo! Daddy, have you gone?
Too fat. I'll break it. Do a trick.
Watch this.
I tried to jump.
Woo! Go, Kylie, go!
Ellie, I'm coming up behind you.
Oh! This doesn't end well for you, Liam.
Push him. Oh.
You don't want to go down this road. What?
Nice.
He's fine. Alright, you want to push me, Liam? You okay?
It's cold. I don't want to play the pushing game anymore. It's kind of cold when I saw.
I'll let you push me. You want to push me down the hill? You sure? You don't want to? I think you're lying. I think you're lying. He's gonna push me.
Daddy, I'm gonna push Mommy over.
No!
Daddy, help!
Oh, get wrecked! I'm not even doing anything. Come on. I've been standing this whole time. Don't hit mommy. She's frail and Hi, Ellie. Are you gonna slide? Whee! Deep breaths.
I just need a hug. I think that's what's gonna heal me.
I'm happy to give you a hug.
Ellen, go!
Everyone, get down.
They're on my team.
Yeah!
Guys, no, I'm the one with breathing problems.
Liam, mommy wants you to get me. Hey, hey. Liam, no. Otherwise, mommy's gonna go inside and pout.
Probably. If I make it there, I might pass out.
Ellen, watch out!
What's up, guys? I'm here, documenting the storm of the century. 30 plus inches. And, what do you think you're doing? And, yeah, we survived. Some people didn't make it around here. My wife is trying to interrupt my vlog.
Take pity on me. I can't breathe.
Yeah, she's trying to bait me right now. It's not gonna work.
Just give me a hug. I just love you so much.
Give me a kiss.
Okay. Gotcha, bitch!
That. Now you're gonna. That was uncalled for. The lake is not frozen though, so we could probably go for a dip.
When I was in the gym, I saw that people started pulling out their grills and like their patio furniture.
What do you mean?
When I went to the gym like 2 days ago when there was no snow.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, oh, people are getting ready for spring.
Yeah, dude, people were grilling 2 days ago. This is what it's like living here.
I feel like this happens every single year too. It's like, oh, spring finally, winter's over.
Oh, I know.
And then bam.
We've never had a storm this bad though.
No.
I was
not
talking
in
to
a
my
long
parents,
time.
and they were like, they don't even remember since they've been living in Green Bay.
Really?
One this big. No.
Really?
Yeah, this is like, not by far, but it's definitely the biggest.
Is it like all in one time? Because I feel like we've had this much snow before. Or is it just like we haven't
all
gotten
at
this...
once.
Okay.
Like over the course of the winter, yeah, we've had this much,
Yeah.
but
Not in a
not
day and a half.
No, not in a day and a half. So anyways, we're gonna start knocking on doors to make sure people are alive.
No, we actually don't care about anything else.
That is not, don't listen to her. Okay, you take it, I'm done vlogging. Bye guys.
Alright, he did well. So proud of you. No, please no! So mean! He thinks he's so cool. Standing on top of the mountain, pushing his wife over. He's so cool. No.
Bye.
Bye.
We survived.
We did. Hold it like this and say hello.
Cheese.
And say hi.
Hi.
Do you want to say something else to the camera?
I love your hair. And I love video. And you are not good because I'm really cold. Because and mommy's come with me and then I will hold it.
Okay, right there.
And you are not gonna say Topia. And are you Topia? No, you're the bad guy because you're picklehead.
What? Go ahead.